So I just received my Friday plan. Right off the bat, you can tell it's not your typical pill bottle. And look at the packaging. I mean, it's so discreet. Obviously, it took my address off, but it says shipping manager, so no one knows what it is. And if you've never heard of Friday Plans, they sell a generic version of Cialis or Viagra. So instead of paying $10 to $30 a pill, you're paying less than $1. You can see that it is very plain, non-descriptive. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox this boy and see what's inside. I decided to go with Friday Plans because personally, me and my wife are trying to have a second child. And when I work 12 to 14-hour days, I'm exhausted, so this gives me a leg up. If you want to get $10 off your first order, use DADFP1. So I did rip off the label here with my own information, but they do have your secret little handbook and your plan itself. So let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. In this, we have our supply here. And since I'm on my computer, I'm gonna walk you step by step on how to sign up. The sign up process is easy. You just fill out this simple form, choose the generic brand that you want. I'll go with Viagra. I'm not looking to last for 36 hours. Since there is a small window to get pregnant and we're trying every other day, I don't need the larger amount. So I'm gonna go with 12 times per month. I'm gonna go with a medium dose, but there is a doctor who will review all applications. And so we are checking the doctor availability, searching the network, and as you can see, we have quite a bit of doctors ready to go. Some doctors are ready, some qualify for a discount, and it's really that easy. Friday Plans was gracious enough to give all my viewers $10 off plus 3-day shipping. So that's amazing. Not only that, but there is a 100% money back guaranteed within 60 days. No questions asked. So take advantage of that in the link in the description. And it looks like they offered me a substantial discount with free shipping for a 3-day delivery. So I'm going to go ahead and accept this. Go ahead and continue my questionnaire. So obviously I'm a male. After this, there's about a few more questions to ask about your sexual health. I highly recommend you go through that. I'm not gonna go through it in this video. I just completed my order, so now I'm gonna show you the members area. And this is where all of my information, support, everything I need right here to answer any questions I have. I am gonna move this window just a little bit so you can see they do have a little menu here. You can talk to support, invite friends if you have frequently asked questions, your profile settings, anything you need right built into the dashboard. So lots of great information about plans, pricing, the telehealth, billing, medical concerns, shipping, about your plan, all sorts of great information to answer any questions you might have about Friday Plans. And I did also receive an email saying, welcome to Friday Plans. A doctor is reviewing my consultation and will make a decision within 1 or 2 business days. And I can obviously go to the members area, which I was just at, or chat with support, or just give them a call Monday through Friday, or Saturday and Sunday. So they are open 7 days a week. And the very next day, it was approved. It did take just about a week to receive my order from start to finish. I put my order on July 8th and received it on July 16th. So if you're lacking confidence or motivation and you need a leg up, I highly recommend Friday Plans so you can keep your head in the game. You can get your plan in the description.